servando.com.
Orozco here in Orozco Service. My message today is how you can save money on gas, especially right now that gas is so expensive. First thing what I recommend is make sure right now is the best time to service your car to make sure your car runs 100% efficiency, especially with the tune-up, air filter, fuel filter. Second, make sure your tires are okay, it's good and inflated properly with the right amount of pressure and air the manufacturer recommended. And third, remove all the things that not belong to the car. Sometimes we carry so many things in the trunk, and that extra weight is gonna affect your miles per gallon on gas. If you have any questions, you can call us 562-427-4256. You can go to our website, orozcoautoservice.com. Have an amazing day.